You can design fully personalized books and albums within your web browser with easy ordering from Bayphoto. From the Bayphoto website, click on Order, Online Ordering, and choose an album or book product. Or choose an album or book type from the products menu and click Order, Order Now. Start by selecting the cover type for the product you're interested in, then the size. For this example, let's order a Pacific album with a metal, acrylic, or wood cover. We'll get a chance to choose the actual cover and spine material after we design our album. We'll select a 10 by 10 size. Next, click on the Create Your Album button. To start designing right away, you can choose to continue as guest, but we recommend signing in with your Bayphoto customer number and password. This will allow you to save your projects as you go. If you don't have a Bayphoto account, you can create one and be up and running with your own customer number in a few minutes. Once you've logged in or continued as a guest, you'll be in the main layout area ready to start designing your album. First, add pictures from your computer. Upload multiple images at once by holding down the Shift key as you select the images. Click Open to start the upload. Your images will appear in the left-hand panel. The main layout area is where you design your book or album. If you've chosen a product with an image on the cover will be the first layout you see. If there is no image on the cover, you will be shown the first page of the book. Use the arrows at the left and right to move through the pages. You can also click the page thumbnails under the layout area to quickly move to a specific spread. Above the layout area is everything you need to create a gorgeous design around your images. The Home panel contains tools for essential actions like adding picture or text boxes and inserting or deleting pages. For a quick way to populate your project with images, use the autofill button and the layout will be filled with your images. By default, books and albums are populated with picture boxes that fill the full width of the spread. If you drag an image into the layout, it will fill both sides of the page. This is especially useful if you're ordering from spreads exported from another design software. You can also go to the Layout tab for a large selection of pre-designed templates. To use these in your layout, simply drag and drop them into the layout area. As you create your design, be mindful of the guides around the sides of the pages, as these indicate the approximate trim lines. Keep essential elements well within these guides for best results. To change the crop or rotation on an image, double-click the picture box and use the tools to get the position of your image just right, then click the checkbox to accept your changes. Click on a box and drag the handles to resize and reposition it. All picture and text boxes come with a full range of image effects, borders, shapes, and other options that appear when the box is selected. When you apply an effect such as a border, you will need to toggle the effect on in order to apply it to the box. Play around with the features and get creative. If you hit a creative block, the shuffle button can be a great way to change things up and set you on a fresh path. The background, scrapbook, and mask tabs offer a variety of predefined colors, patterns, picture box groups, and other elements that you can drag and drop into your layout. The selection in these tabs varies by product. To easily cut, copy, or delete elements, see the Edit panel at the right. You will be prompted periodically to save your project. We highly recommend doing this often to protect your work as you progress. You can change the size and/or cover type of the product you're ordering at any time by clicking on the Change Product button. If you switch to a different aspect ratio, the app will try to scale your images and designs. We recommend reviewing each page of your project to make sure the layouts meet your approval before ordering. If you forget which product you're working on, the product title can be found by clicking on the Order button. Once you're done designing your project, click on the Order button and click Order again. If the app detects any issues with your project, such as small file size or elements extending beyond the bounds of the page, you will be shown a list of the issues. You may choose to fix the issues or confirm that you accept the design as is. You will then be taken to a shopping cart where you can finish selecting your cover and page options and submit your order.